Well, welcome back. Here's a little video on my Milwaukee packout. Now, I've had this for about 3 years, and in that time I've done several modifications, and some of them I've done over and over again. But one of the most common ones is, of course, this front rack from Packable. Really enjoy it. I'm able to put my box on the front. Very nice. I can put my hand tools inside here. Anything else I need to carry, extension cords. Very nice. Easy on, easy off. One of the nice things that I really like is these. Which go on to secure the back. Allows you to remove the handle completely. These are from Kaizen. They just go on real nice.